Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can send Instagram voice message to WhatsApp. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open up your Instagram app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. From here, you can simply go over to any voice message that you may have. So let's say I will come over to this account. As you can see, there are some voice messages present. So what we're going to do is, we're going to long press on the voice message, and once you do that, you usually get save voice message option. But if it doesn't give you that option, you can simply screen record it and send it on WhatsApp. Or what you can do is, you can just listen to the voice and then again record it on your WhatsApp. So that's basically how you can send Instagram voice message to WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.